Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover template. Let's begin. Template can be used to create generic class or function. In the first program, I am going to cover template class. Using template, I have created class generic with generic member A and B with generic data type. Declared and created generic member function display to display value of class members. In the main function, I have created object for generic class, with data type as integer, assigned integer values to members, and displaying values of member variables, using display function. Created another object for generic class, with data type as string, assigned string values to members, and displaying values of member variables, using display function. In the next program, I am going to cover template function. Using template, I have created generic function addition, with generic parameters A and B. Declared generic variable C. Performing addition on generic variables, and returning the output. In the main function, I have declared two variables, x and y, of type integer, and assigned values. Passing the values to generic function addition, and displaying addition of values. Declared two variables first name and last name, of type string, and assigned values. Passing the values to generic function addition, and displaying concatenation of string. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions, from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.